What's up, foodies? Today I'm showing you how to cook a perfect sunny side up egg in a carbon steel pan, and I'll go over 5 mistakes that can ruin your eggs. If you ever had eggs stick, cook unevenly, or turn out rubbery, this one's for you, so let's get into it. The biggest mistake people make with carbon steel is not preheating it properly. Unlike nonstick, carbon steel needs time to build up heat evenly so your eggs cook without sticking. To do this right, place the pan on medium to low heat and let it warm up for 2 to 3 minutes before adding any fat. Flick a few drops of water on the pan. If it just evaporates, it's not ready yet. If the water dances around the surface before disappearing, your pan is at the right temperature. So mistake number 1, starting with a cold pan or blasting the heat too high. If the pan is too hot, the butter will burn before the eggs even hit the pan, and the whites will turn crispy while the yolk stays raw. Now before we move on, we got to talk about my new Strata Pan because I really love it. This is the Strata stainless steel, carbon steel hybrid pan. Whew. And it's quickly become my go-to for cooking eggs or anytime I need a non-stick pan. Unlike a traditional carbon steel pan, this has a stainless steel layer fused with the carbon steel, which means it heats up more evenly than a standard carbon steel pan. One of the biggest issues with carbon steel alone is that it can sometimes heat unevenly, leading to hot spots. But this hybrid design fixes that by making it a solid choice for induction cooktops or any stovetop, gas, electric, you name it. Since it heats evenly and holds seasoning well, it gives a natural non-stick surface, making it my go-to when I want a solid non-stick pan without a traditional non-stick coating. And just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I just really love this pan and I think it's a great option if you want the benefits of a carbon steel without the usual downsides, like uneven heating. Also, if you want to grab one for yourself, I've got a discount code in the description below for 10% off. Alright, let's get back to the eggs. So mistake number 2 is not adding enough fat to coat the pan. This is the most important step, getting enough fat in the pan. I use butter because it gives the eggs an amazing flavor, and as it melts, it coats the surface so the eggs won't stick. Carbon steel is not non-stick on its own. Without the proper layer of fat, your eggs are gonna glue themselves to the pan. Add in about a tablespoon of butter and swirl it around until it evenly covers the surface. So if you don't have enough butter or oil in your pan, your eggs will grab to it and stick to the pan and make a massive mess when you try to flip them. So mistake number 3, cracking eggs directly into the pan. Cracking your egg straight into the pan makes it harder for you to control where the egg lands and you might pop the yolk. A little trick for a perfect egg, crack it into a small bowl first. This gives you better control when adding it to the pan and helps keep the yolk intact. If you crack it directly into the pan, you risk breaking the yolk or getting bits of shell in there. So the best way to place your eggs in the pan is add them to a bowl and then tilt the bowl and let the eggs slide in gently so the yolk stays whole. Now, here's where the fun part is. We are going to not flip our egg. We are going to baste the egg with hot butter. So mistake number 4 is letting the egg sit without basting. So if you don't baste, the whites around the yolk might stay undercooked while the edges overcook. This helps the whites cook evenly without overcooking the yolk. So instead of needing to flip the egg or cover the pan, basting gently cooks the egg whites from the top down while keeping the yolk nice and runny and yellow. So slightly tilt the pan, using a spoon, scoop over the melted butter, pouring it over the whites. Do this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until the whites are fully set. Basting also keeps the yolks bright, vibrant yellow, giving you a classic sunny side up egg and a great Instagram photo for your friends to see. Mistake number 5, overcooking the yolk. You'll know the eggs are done when the whites are completely set with no jiggle, but the yolk is still glossy and runny. Don't wait too long or the yolk will start to firm up. So give the pan a little shake. If the whites don't move, you're good to go. And if you like crispy edges, let it cook for an extra 30 seconds before removing it from the pan. So if you leave it too long, you'll end up with a firm, chalky yolk instead of a perfect runny texture. And that's it, a perfect sunny side up egg, basted in butter, no sticking, no burnt edges, and the yolk is still beautifully runny and yellow. Use a spatula to gently slide the egg onto a plate. Then sprinkle with some salt and optionally top it with some chives. And that's how you cook a sunny side up egg in a carbon steel without it sticking. If you ever struggle cooking eggs in this type of pan, try this method and let me know how it goes. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, Foodie out.